Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this paint pen is incredible. This is from Markal, and this is a Paint-Riter in red. These pens are amazing. They can write on almost any type of non-porous surface, and they are super visible. They're also weather resistant, and they last a really long time. They also dry really quickly, which is awesome. So these have a tip that you can kind of like prime to get the paint flowing, and then once you do that, you're ready to go, and you can mark anything and it works so well. So these dry really quickly, which makes it great for any type of project you're working on. We find these really useful in automotive projects, but you can mark any type of surface. So if you're trying to differentiate between one material or another, or you want to write a note on it or something, it doesn't matter. You can use these and they work awesome. So we have these in our shop in a variety of colors and love them and use them all the time. So I would definitely recommend these, and that is my point of view.